We get a lot of phone calls from clients that want us to clean the attic. Some restoration companies don't think it's necessary to clean an attic because it's not considered livable space. However, the air quality of the attic can affect the living environment, especially considering many times the HVAC unit is located inside the attic, and sometimes deducting can be compromised, which can draw airflow in from the attic environment and produce it into the house. Here are the following steps we use for cleaning an attic. Step 1. Apply a good heavy coat of antimicrobial to the structural lumber, especially in areas where lumberyard, mold, or other types of roof leaks may have happened and water has gotten in. Step 2. Scrub vigorously, using a disposable cloth, wiping down all applicable surfaces. In addition, if needed due to rodent infestation or other types of debris, HEPA vacuuming appropriate areas may be needed as well.